If the area of a triangle ABC is 288 centimeter square and its semi-perimeter is 3 times of its in radius, then what is the perimeter of a triangle ABC? Okay, triangle ABC equivalent triangle only triangle ABC, and what the area of a triangle are given 288 centimeter square and its semi-perimeter is 3 times of which one? It's in radius. In radius means inner circle or outer circle? Inner circle. We required which one? In radius or not? In radius means R value or not? R equal to, we written area of a triangle by semi-perimeter or not? Semi-perimeter. In radius of a triangle, it is equal to, we written R equal to delta by S. Delta means area of a triangle. S means semi-perimeter or not? Okay. But here, area of a triangle is given how much? 288. But semi-perimeter is 3 times of which one? In radius. Means radius is how many parts? 1 part. Semi-perimeter are 3 parts or not? Okay. R into S equal to which one? Area or not? Means we written 1 part into 3 parts. That is equal to which one? 288 or not? 3 how many times? 6. 3 how many times? 9 times, again 6 times or not? Parts into parts, part square equal to 96, but 96 means we written 16 into 6 or not? Then every 1 part equal to how much? Square root of 96 means we written square root of 16 into 6, nothing but 4 root 6 or not? 4 root 6. What is the question here? What is the perimeter of a triangle ABC? Perimeter means we written double the semi-perimeter or not? What is the semi-perimeter value? 3 parts. Then perimeter 6 parts are not? Semi-perimeter 3 parts means perimeter are 6 parts. What is the 1 part value? 4 root 6. Then 6 parts value 24 root 6 are not? What is the in radius concept? Area by semi-perimeter or not? Next question number 52. P and Q together can complete 25% of the work in how many days? 12 days. While Q and R together can complete the whole work in how many days? 33 days. Q alone can complete the whole work in how many days? 88 days. What is the time taken by P and R together can complete the whole work or not? First of all, P and Q together can complete 25% work in how many days? 12 days. Okay. Then P and Q together can complete the whole work in how many days? 48 days or not? Next, Q and R together can complete the work in 33 days or not? Q and R together can complete the work in 33 days. Next, Q alone can complete the whole work in how many days? 88 days. Q alone 88 days means 2 times of Q. 44 days or not? Only Q alone 88 days means 2 times of Q. 44 days or not? Yes or no? 2 times, nothing but efficiency double or not? Efficiency double means time will be half. Half or double? Half. Efficiency double, time must be half. What is the question here? What is the time taken by P and R together to complete the whole work or not? We required P and R or not? Then I written P and R together, it is equal to P plus Q plus Q plus R minus 2Q or not? Yes or no? P plus Q means 1 day work of P plus Q or not? Q and R means 1 day work of Q and R or not? 2Q means 1 day work of 2Q or not? What is the 1 day work of P and Q? 1 by 48. What is the 1 day work of Q and R? 1 by 33. What is the 1 day work of 2Q? 1 by 44 or not? Solving this one, we are get the 1 day work of which one? P plus R. Obviously, we are get the number of days or not? Okay. Answer is 35.2 days. Solve చేస్తారు కదా. First solve the 1 by 33 minus 1 by 44. What is the LCM? 132 or not? 33, 44 LCM. 132. 33 4 times, 44 3 times or not? 4 minus 3, 1. 1 by 132 or not? Yes or no? 1 by 48 plus 1 by 132. Solving this one, we are get the fraction or not? Okay, we know the 1 day work, we are get the number of days or not? 48, 33, 44 LCM, time taken process or not? But 33, 44 LCM, 132 or not? Calculation wise easy or not? Okay, answer is 35.2 days. Next question number 53. A square plus 1 minus 8a by 3a, it is equal to how much? 5. Then what is the value of root a plus 1 by root a or not? First left hand side denominator, it will become right hand side product or not? 5 into 3a, 15a. Left hand side minus a, it will become right hand side plus 8a. Total it is 23a or not? A square plus 1 equal to 23a. Then we return a square plus 1 by a equal to how much? 23 or not? This one we return a plus 1 by a equal to how much? 23 or not? Yes or no? This one again we return a square plus 1 by a square equal to 25 or 4? Just 1 minute. What is the a plus 1 by a value? 23. We required which one? Root a plus 1 by root a. Suppose root a plus 1 by root a, I return x. Root a plus 1 by root a equal to x. Squaring on both sides, a plus 1 by a plus 2 or not? 2 into root a into 1 by root a, 2 equal to x square or not? What is the a plus 1 by a value? 23. 23. 23 plus 2, 25. X square equal to 25. X value 5 or not? Yes or no? Next, if cos 73 equal to how much? 5 by 13. Then find the value of cos 17 minus cos 73 degrees by sin 17 plus sin 73 degrees or not? Cos 73, it is also equal to which one? Sin 17 or not? Sin 17. That is equal to how much fraction are given? 5 by 13. In right angle triangle, 13 is the hypotenuse value or not? 5 is the one of the side or not? Another side is how much? 12 or not? Okay. Sin 17 is how much? 5 by 13. What is the question here? Cos 17 minus cos 73. Cos 17 means 12 by 13 or not? What is the cos 17? 12 by 13 minus cos 73. Cos 73 it is how much? 5 by 13 or not? It is numerator. What is the denominator? Sin 17. Sin 17 means 5 by 13 or not? Plus sin 73. Sin 73 means it is also equal to cos 17 or not? What is the cos 17 value? 12 by 13 or not? Any confusion? No. 12 minus 5, 7. 7 by 13. Denominator 17 by 13. What is the answer? 7 by 17. Cos A equal to sin B means A plus B must be 90 degrees or not? What is the A value here? 73. What is the B value? 17. These two sum must be equal to 90 or not? Next 55. The speed of a car is 25% more than that of a which one? Bike. Both of them started at the same point. After traveling for 5 hours, the speed of the bike is increased by 37.5%. After 7 hours from the starting, the car was 48 kilometers ahead of the bike. What is the initial speed of the biker? First of all, car speed is 25% more than the which one? Bike speed. Suppose bike speed I consider 8 parts. Bike speed are 8 parts. Then car speed 10 parts are not. 25% means 1 by 4 are not. If it is considered 2 by 8 are not. Either 1 by 4 or 2 by 8, both are in same are not. Bike speed are 8 parts, car speed are 10 parts. Or the next point, both of them started at the same point after traveling for how many hours? 5 hours. The speed of the bike is increased by how much? 37.5%. Means bike speed is how many parts? 8 parts. 8 parts, how many hours are traveled? 5 hours or only 1 hour? 5 hours. But after 5 hours, his speed is increased by how much? 37.5. What is the 37.5% fraction? 3 by 8 are not. What is the 3 by 8 of 8 parts? 3. 8 plus 3? 11 parts are not. Means after 5 hours, speed is how many parts? 11 parts are not. And after 7 hours from the starting, already how many hours are completed? 5 hours. Means next 2 hours. 11 parts speed, how many hours? 2 hours are not. First 5 hours, next 2 hours. Speed into time plus speed into time. We are get the distance of which one? Bike or car? Bike. Bike distance or not. Next, again, car distance means what is the car speed? 10 parts. But car is how many hours are traveled? 7 hours or not. Okay. First, bike distance is 8 5s how much? 40. 11 2s 22. Total 62 parts or not. But car distance is 70 parts or not. What is the difference between distance? 8 parts. That 8 parts equal to how much? 48 kilometers are given. What is the question here? What is the initial speed of the bike? Bike initial speed is how much? 8 parts. What is the 8 parts value? 48 or not? Next question number 56. What is the rate of simple interest at which 9,500 should be invested for how many years? 6 years. So that the interest earned will be double the interest received when the same amount is invested at 15% at compound interest compounded annually for how many years? 2 years. Means simple interest is 2 times of which one? Compound interest. Simple interest how many years? 6 years. But compound interest 2 years. But same investment or different investment? Same investment. But different rate of person or same rate of person? Different rate of person for how many years? 2 years. Okay. First we need to identify the compound interest. Simple interest is double the which one? Compound interest. First we need to identify compound interest value. 15% for how many years? 2 years. 15% for 2 years means what is the compound interest? 32.25%. First year 15, second year 15 plus 15% of 15%. How much? 32.25%. It is compound interest. But simple interest is double the which one? Compound interest. 32.25 double or triple? Double. Means we are getting 64.5%. That is simple interest or compound interest? Simple interest. That simple interest are received in how many years? 6 years. Means 64.5% received in how many years? 6 years. But we required which one? Rate of interest. Means divide by 6. We are get the 1 year rate of person. Yes or no? 6 years 64.5. Per annum means 64.5 by 6. 6 how many times? 10 times or not? Again how many times? 7 times. Again 5 times or not? 10.75% or not? X plus y plus z equal to 10. Next question number 57. X plus y plus z equal to 10. Xy plus yz plus zx equal to 31 and xyz equal to 30. Then what is the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube? Substitute the x value 5, y value 3, z value 2. 5 into 3 into 2, 30. 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10. 5 xy how much? 15. Yz 6. Zx 10. Total 15 plus 6, 21 plus 10, 31 and all the conditions are satisfied. We required which one? X cube plus y cube plus z cube. What is the 5 cube? What is the 3 cube? What is the 2 cube? 8. What is the total value? 160. Verification or not? Next question number 58. In a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to which one? DC, and diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. If AB equal to how much? 12 centimeters and DC equal to how much? 27 centimeters. Then what is the area of triangle AOB and area of triangle COD or not? And here a trapezium are given or not? A trapezium ABCD means AB is parallel to which one? DC. Nothing but AB is parallel to which one? DC or not? AB is the smallest length, DC is the largest length or not? What the AB value are given? 12. What is the DC value? 27. And one more, diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. BD diagonal means this one or not? AC diagonal means this one. These two are intersect at point O or not? What is the question here? Find the area of triangle AOB. We required area of which one? Triangle AOB and area of triangle COD or not? Okay. Then areas ratio, it is equal to which one? Similar triangles or not? Similar triangles. In similar triangles concept, areas ratio means we return side square ratio or sides ratio? Side square ratio or not? Okay. Then area of first triangle means we return AB square. Area of the second triangle means we return DC square or not? In similar triangles, area is nothing but side squares ratio or only sides ratio? Side square. What is the AB value? 12. 12 square means we return 12 into 12 or not? What is the DC value? 27. Then we return 27 into 27 or not? Okay. 9 how many times 144? 16 times. 9 how many times 27? 3 times. What is the answer? 16 is to 81. Similar triangles or not? Areas ratio nothing but side square ratio or only sides ratio? Side squares ratio. Next 59. The ratio of the speed of the boat in upstream to the speed of the boat in downstream is how much? 5:7. If the boat can cover a total of 60 kilometers upstream and 91 kilometers downstream in how many hours? 5 hours. Find the time taken by the boat to travel 150 kilometers in still water. Okay. 150 kilometers in still water means first we need to identify the speed of the boat. Means m value are required or s value? M value. And one more, what the upstream speed is how many parts? 5 parts. Downstream speed 7 parts. What is the upstream distance are given? 60 kilometers. 60 by 5 parts or 4 parts? 5 parts. What is the downstream distance? 91. What is the downstream speed? 7 parts. These two are adding, we are get the total time. Total time is how many hours? 5 hours. 5 how many times 60? 12 times. 7 how many times 91? 13 times. 12 plus 13? 25. 5 how many times? 5 times. Means every one part is how much? 5. One part are 5. Means downstream speed is how much? 35. What is the upstream speed? 25. Downstream speed 7 parts means how much? 35. Upstream speed 5 parts means 25. Then speed of the boat means m value or s value? M value. Both are adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2. 35 plus 25, 60. By 2 means 30 or not? Means speed of the boat is how much? 30. But your question is find the time taken by the boat to travel 150 kilometers in still water. Means speed of the steamer 0 or not? Means only m value are taken or s value also taken? Only m value. What is the distance value? 150. What is the speed value? 30. Then we are get the time or not? 150 by 30. How many hours? 5 hours or not? Can I skip the 60 question? Simplification or not? If you know the cancellations, if you know the tables, the question are easy. I think there is no tables, only addition, subtraction. 19 3 is how much? 19 3 is 57. I think it is only one difficult value. 33 99. 3 times. Okay. Next question number 61. Can I skip the 60 question? Next question number 61. Study the given bar graph carefully and answer the questions. The bar graph shows the number of students enrolled for different competitive exams in 5 different institutions. Banking, SSC and railway are given and 5 institutions are given. What is the first question? What is the difference between the number of students enrolled for SSC institute PQT together and the number of students enrolled for railway in institutes QST? First SSC in P how much? SSC in P 42, Q 86, T 75. 86 plus 42, 128 plus 75. 128 plus 75, 203 or not? 203. Next, railway institutes QST. What is the railway in Q? 95. In S, 77. In T, 65 or not? 95 plus 65, 160. 160 plus 77, 237. What is the difference? 34 or not? Which option? Fourth one. Next question number 62. A tent is in the shape of a which one? Cone, surmounted on a cylinder whose base radius is how much? 4.2 meters and the total height of the tent is how much? 20 meters. The height of the cylindrical part is how much? 12 meters. Find the volume in meter cube or of air present in the tent. Okay, first, and here a tent is in the shape of a which one? Cone, surmounted on a which one? Cylinder. Means upper diagram cone, bottom diagram cylinder. Okay, we required volume of a total means volume of a cone plus volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cone means 11 multiple. Volume of a cylinder means 11 multiple. Means individually 11 multiple means together also 11 multiple or not? First verify the 11 multiple or not? First option 11 multiple. No. Second option. No. Third option. Yes. Fourth option. No. Then answer third one or not? What the base radius are given? 4.2 meters or not? Means radius value is given how much? 4.2. Next, the total height of the tent is how much? 20 meters. Total height of the tent means top to bottom height is how much? 20 meters or not? In that, height of the cylindrical part is how much? 12 meters. Height of the cylindrical part means only blue color portion is how much? 12 or not? Blue color portion 12 means remaining white color portion 8 or not? Yes or no? What is the question here? What is the volume of air present in the tent? Means we require total volume of a diagram or not? Total volume of a diagram means volume of a upper portion and volume of a bottom portion or not? Volume of a upper portion means 1 by 3 pi r square h or not? Volume of a bottom portion means pi r square h or not? These two are adding, we are get the total volume or not? And we know the radius values and we know the height values or not? Substitute the values, we are get the answer or not? Already we are verify the 11 multiple. How many options? Only one or not? Next is 63. The population of a city has increased from 1,85,500 to 1,94,775 in a decade. Decade means how many years? 10 years or not? The average increased percentage in a population per year or number of years? Per year. Okay. What is the initial value? 1,85,500. But after 10 years, it will become 1,94,775. Means increased value in 10 years or only 1 year? 10 years. Divide by 10, we are get the 1 year value. That is calculated on initial value or final value? Initial value. Then we are get the percentage or value? Percentage or not? Okay. Simply we are say 1,85,500 principal. 1,94,775 amount. Time is given how many years? 10 years. We required rate of interest or not? Okay. First, what is the difference between 775 and 500? 275. Next, 194 and 185 difference. 900. 9275. Divide by 10, we are get the 1 year increased value or not? It is calculated on which one? 1,85,500 or not? We required in percentage means multiplied by 100 or not? Okay. First two zeros cancel or not? 9275 by how much value? 18550 or not? Almost half or not? Means 5% or 5% or 0.5%? 0.5% or not? Numerator 9,000 change, denominator 18,000 change. Means 9,000 by 18,000 means half or not? Means 1 by 2 or not? 1 by 2 means 0.5 or not? Next question number 64. A person on the top of a tower observed a car coming towards to the tower at a speed of which one? 25 by 2 meter per second. And when it traveled for 20 seconds, the angle of depreciation on the car changes from 30 degrees to which one? 60 degrees. How long in seconds does it take to reach the bottom of the tower? Okay. First, a person on the top of a tower observed a car. First time how many degrees? 30. Second time 60 or not? What is the first time angle? 30. Second time angle 60 or not? Okay. A, B, C, D or not? What are the angles are given? 30 and 60 or not? If angles are given 30 and 60, then directly we return sides ratio. What is the AB side? √3. What is the BC side? 1 part. What is the CD side? 2 parts or not? Normal way, tan 30, tan 60. It is general procedure. But directly I return roots. Directly I return sides. What is the AB side? √3. What is the BC side? 1 part. What is the CD side? 2 parts. Then BD is how many parts? 3 parts or not? Okay. If angles are 60 and 30 are given, directly sides we return. What is the sides ratio? √3 is to 1 is to 2. Okay. And here, first time how many seconds are taken? 20 seconds. Means 2 parts is how many seconds? 20 seconds or not? What is the question here? How long does it take to reach the bottom of the tower? Means we required how many parts? One part or not? Two parts are 20 seconds, then one part are 10 seconds or not? Because equal speed means distance and time. Directly proportional or inversely proportional? Directly proportional or not? Equal speed or different speed? Equal speed. Speed is constant or not? Speed is constant means distance and time directly proportional or not? What is the distance ratio? 1:2 means time also 1:2. What is the two parts value? 20 seconds means from D to C how much time are taken? 20 seconds. Obviously C to B one part or not? One part means how many seconds? 10 seconds or not? Clear? What is the normal way? First one right angle triangle are taken. ABD right angle triangle. Another one ABC right angle triangle or not? What is the ABD right angle triangle? ABD right angle triangle tan 30. ABC right angle triangle tan 60 or not? Solving those values we are get the BC value or not? Then we are get the BC distance by speed we are get the time or not? Okay, that is normal procedure. If you know the 30 and 60 directly we return sides ratio. What is the sides ratio? √3:1:2. Okay, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 65. బ్లైండ్గా తీసుకోవచ్చు 30 60 ఎక్కడ కనిపించినా డైరెక్ట్లీ వీఆర్ టేక్ ద సైడ్స్ రేషియో √3:1:2. 45 మళ్ళీ 30 ఉంటే అది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది రేషియో. ఓకేనా? 45 and 60 ఉన్నా కూడా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ 30 and 60. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 65. Kiran purchased an article for how many rupees? 1800, which was marked up by how much? 25% above the cost price, and the discount given by seller to Kiran was how much? 200. By how much more the seller should have sold the article to gain 30%? First of all, Kiran purchased the article for how many rupees? 1800, which was marked up by 25% above the which one? Cost price. The discount given by seller to Kiran was how many rupees? 200. Okay, means Kiran purchased how many rupees? 1800. After discount it is 1800. Before discount market price is how much? 2000. Yes or no? The discount given by seller to Kiran was how much? 200. Okay, but seller sold the article for Kiran is how many rupees? 1800. 1800 is after discount means before discount is how much? 2000. Then cost price of the article, market price compared to cost price how much percent are above? 25% above. Market price 2000 means cost price are 1600. 5:4 ratio. Cost price are 100%, market price are 125%. What is the 125%? 2000. Then 100%, 1600. Next, and one more. By how much more the seller should have sold the article to gain 30%? What is the cost price value? 1600. It is sold at 30% profit. What is the 30% of 1600? 480 or not? 1600 plus 480. 2080 or not? 2080. Actually purchased 1800. Finally sold 2080. Means how many rupees are more? 280 more or not? Means we require difference between purchased value, selling value or not? Next question number 66. A mixture in container P contains milk and water in the ratio of which one? 16:15. Another 340 liters of mixture in container Q contains milk and water in the ratio of which one? 9:8. Is mixed with mixture P such that the ratio of milk and water in the final solution becomes 12:11. Find the initial quantity of the mixture in the container P. We required initial quantity of the mixture in container P or not? Okay. Container P, milk is how many parts? 16. Water is 15. Total how many parts? 31 parts. Before solving the question, first verify the 31 multiples. First option 31 multiple. Yes. 31 ones are 31. Remaining 155. 5 times. Okay. Second option 31 multiple. No. Third option. Yes. Because 465, 434 difference. 31 means it must be divisible by 31. How many options are possible? 2 options. Then use the normal method or verification. Normal method. What the milk is how many parts in first one? 16 parts. Milk in water in first one? 15 parts. Second container total how many liters? 340. In that milk and water are in which ratio? 9:8. Total how many parts? 17 parts. 17 parts is how many liters? 340. Every one part 20 liters. 9 parts are 180. Next 8 parts are 160. 16 parts is the milk in container P. 180 is the milk in container Q. 15 parts is the water in container P. 160 is the water in container Q. These two are adding, we are get the new ratio. What is the new ratio are given? 12:11. Solving this one, we are get the one part value. Okay. Just cross multiplication. 11 into 16. 176. 12 into 15. 180. 176 and 180. Difference is 4 parts. 11 into 180. 1980. 12 into 160. 1920. What is the difference? 60. 4 parts are 60 means every one part are 15. How many parts we need? 31 parts. 31 into 15. End with 500. 465. If you know the 11th and 12th table, the question are easy. Next question number 67. The ratio of the number of chocolates Suresh and Ramesh together have to the number of chocolates Vijay has is 7:9. Suresh plus Ramesh is how many parts? 7 parts. But Vijay is how many parts? 9 parts. Suresh ate 5 chocolates and Vijay ate 10 chocolates. Then the ratio mentioned above becomes how much? 6:7. Suresh has 25% less number of chocolates than the which one? Ramesh. Means Suresh compared to Ramesh, how much percent are less? 25% lesser. Okay. Suppose Suresh has 4 chocolates. Ramesh has 4 chocolates. Suresh is 3 chocolates. Ramesh plus Suresh how many parts? 7 parts. Ramesh plus Suresh is 7 parts. Obviously Vijay is 9 parts. What is the question here? What is the sum of the number of chocolates Suresh and Vijay initially add? Suresh is how many parts? 3 parts. Vijay 9 parts. 3 plus 9 12. How many parts we need? 12 parts. Verify the 12 multiple. How many options? Only one option. అంత క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చాయంటే ఖచ్చితంగా మల్టిపుల్ గురించి మాట్లాడతాడు కదా. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 68. PAB and PCD are two secants to a circle. If PA equal to how much? 32 and AB equal to 22 and PC equal to 36 centimeters, then what is the length of the CD? How many secants are there? 2 secants. One is PAB, another one PCD. One is PAB, another one PCD. It is point P and this one is point A and this is point B. Another one PCD. It is point C. This is point D. One is PAB secant, another one PCD secant. And what is the PA value? PA 32. What is the AB value? 22. In the same way, what is the PC value? 36. What is the CD value? Suppose CD value we are consider X or not. Okay. What is the question here? What is the length of the CD? What is the property? PA into PB by PC into PD or not? What is the property? PA into PB, it is equal to PC into PD or not? Okay. PA means what is the PA value? 32. PB means PA plus PB, PA plus AB or not? What is the total PB value? 50. What is the PC value? 36 into PD. PD means total PD value or not? 36 plus X. Solving this one, we are get the X value or not? 18 how many times? 2 times. 18 how many times? 3 times. 2 again. 16 times or not? 16 3s are 48. That is equal to 36 plus X. X equal to how much? 12 or not? I think it is direct property or not? PA into PB, it is equal to PC into PD. 69. In an election between two candidates, 70% of the candidate, 70% of the voters cast their votes, out of which 5% of the votes were declared as invalid or valid. Invalid. And a candidate got 6916 votes, which were 80% of the total valid votes. Find the total number of voters enrolled in the election. First of all, total number of votes we are consider 100%. Total enrolled voters we are consider 100%. Out of 100%, 70% are cast their votes. Okay. In that 70%, 5% are which one? Invalid. What is the 5% of 70%? 3.5. Out of 70, 3.5 are invalid means what is the valid votes? 66.5%. 66.5%. In that, A got how much percent? 80%. Means A votes are 80% of which one? 66.5%. Okay. What is the 10% of 66.5? 6.65. 20%. 13.30 or 665 double. 1330 or not? 1330 double. 2660 or not? 2660 double. 532 or not? 5320. Means 80% of 66.5%. We return how much? 53.2% or not? That is equal to how much value? 6916 or not? We required how much percent? 100% or not? Okay. 532 more than 10 times or less than 10 times? More than 10 times or not? What is the left hand side units position? 2. Right hand side units position? 6. Possibility either 3 or 8. More than 10 times but less than 20 times or not? But which one is the closer value? 13 times or 18 times? 13 times. Then answer is 13,000 or not? It is 130 times or 13 times? 130 times or not? Because 0.2 means we return denominator 10 or not? It will become right hand side into 10 or not? Next question number 70. Pie chart are given. If the donations collected from supervisors were 8475, then what would be the total amount of money donated by clerks and HR? What is the supervisor percentage? 25%. 8475, it is represents how much percent? 25% or not? Okay. What is the question here? What was the total amount of money donated by clerks and HR? What is the clerks percentage? 20. HR percentage? 15. We required how much percent? 35% or not? Okay. 5 how many times? 7, 5 how many times? 5. 5 again. 1, 6, 9, 500. 7 into 1, 6, 9, 5. Suppose 1695 we are considered 1700. Yes or no? Compared to 1700, 5 less or not? 7 into 1700, 11,900. 7 into 5, 35. Subtracting or adding? Subtracting. What is the remaining? 11,865. Next question number 71. The cost price of a pen is how much? 50. And that of a notebook is how much? 10x. Means every notebook cost price is how much? 10x. If a pen is sold at 200% profit, what is the cost price of a pen? 50. But it is sold at 200% profit means what is the profit of a pen? 100 rupees or not? Every pen profit is how much? 100 rupees. And then a person can purchase x minus 18 notebooks or x books. X minus 18 notebooks with the profit he has gained by selling 28 pens or not? First, how many notebooks are purchased? X minus 18 notebooks or not? Every notebook, what is the number of notebooks? X minus 18. Every notebook cost price is how much? 10x. Means into 10x or not? Every notebook are 10x, but number of notebooks are x minus 18. What is the total cost price of x minus 18 books? X minus 18 into 10x or not? What is the each one cost price? 10x. What is the number of books? X minus 18. These two are multiplied, we are get the total cost price of x minus 18 books or not? And it is also equal to which one? With the profit he has gained by selling how many pens? 28 pens. Every pen how many rupees are profit? 100 rupees. 28 pens, 2,800. Means with that profit he purchased how many books? X minus 18 books or not? Means x minus 18 books cost price, it is equal to profit of how many pens? 28 pens or not? What is the 28 pens profit? 2,800 or not? What is the left hand side value? Cost price of x minus 18 notebooks. What is the right hand side value? Profit on selling 28 pens or not? Those two are equal or different? Equal. First 0, 0 cancel or not? X minus 18 into x, it is equal to how much? 280. 280 means it is 28 into 10 or not? Then x must be 28 or not? X into x minus 18 equal to 280 means x must be x into x minus 18 equal to how much value? 280 or not? 280 I written 28 into 10 or not? X is how much? 28. X minus 18, 10 or not? Left hand side 2 factors means right hand side also split into 2 factors or only one? 2 factors. Next question number 72. In a 10 hours match, a team has scored at the run rate of 8 and 6 in the first 4.5 hours and next 3.5 hours respectively. If the team scored 54 runs in the last 2 hours, then find the run rate of the team in the match. Total how many hours? 10 hours. First 4.5 hours, how many, what was the run rate? 8. Means how many runs are given? 4.5 into 8. Next 3.5 hours, what was the run rate? 6. Then we written 3.5 into 6. Okay. 4.5 into 8 means it is first 4.5 hours score. 3.5 into 6 means it is next 3.5 hours score. These two are adding, we are get the total how many hours score? 8 hours. And next, if the team scored 54 runs in the last 2 hours, means last 2 hours how many runs are made? 54. Total these values are adding, we are get the total how many over score? 10 hours score or not. Divide by 10, we are get the average or not. Divide by 10, we are get the average of how many hours? 10 hours or not. 4.5 into 8, 36. 3.5 into 6, 21. 36 plus 54, 90. 90 plus 21, 111 or not. By 10 means 11.1. 10 hours, 111 runs are made means what is the per hour, run rate per hour? 11.1. Next 73. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 42? Which of the following numbers is divisible by 42? What is the units position? 2 or not? What is the divisibility rule of 2? Value must end with either even number or 0. How many options are end with even number? Only one option or not? 42, what is the units position? 2. What is the divisibility rule of 2? Value must be end with even number or 0 or not? How many options are end with even number? Only one option or not? That is first option. End with 8, it is even number or odd number? Even number. Next question number 74. A shopkeeper sells 2 articles. For the first article, he calculates the percentage of profit on cost price. For the second article, he calculates the profit percentage on the selling price. If their selling prices are same or different? Same. And the difference of their actual profit is how much? 170. And both claim to have made how much percent or profit? 20%. Means first one 20% profit, second one also 20% profit. What is the question here? What is the selling price of each article? Cost price of every article is always how much percent? 100%. Means first article cost price 100%, second article cost price also 100%. But every article how much percent or profit? 20% profit. Means first article 20% profit, second article 20% profit. But first article profit is calculated on which one? Cost price. But second article profit is calculated on selling price. And one more, selling prices of both the articles are same or different? Same. Okay. First, profit on A. Profit on first article or second article? First article. Profit on A means profit on first article or not? Profit on first article we return 20% of cost price or selling price? Cost price. 20% of cost price. What is the cost price we are consider? 100% or not? What is the 20% of 100%? 20% or not? It is profit on first article or second article? First article. Next, what is the profit on second article? Profit on second article is calculated on which one? Selling price. Means profit on second article we return 20% of which one? SP or not? Okay. If cost price are 100%, 20% profit means selling price is 120% or not? Means second article profit is calculated on selling price. Means what is the selling price of second article? 120% or not? Then we return 20% of which one? 120% or 100%? 120% or not? What is the 20% of 120%? 24% or not? What is the profit on first article? 20%. What is the profit on second article? 24%. What is the difference in profit? 4% or not? In place of 4%, how many rupees are given? 170 or not? What is the question here? What is the selling price of each article? If second article selling price are 120% means first article selling price also 120% or not? Means we require how much percent value? 120% or not? How many times it is? 30 times or not? It is how many times? 30 times. 170 into 30. 5,100. Next 75. The average of 5 consecutive integers starting with A is how much? B. What is the average of 6 consecutive integers starting with A plus 2 or not? Consecutive integers means common difference are 1 or 2? 1. What is the first integer? The average of 5 consecutive integers starting with a is b. First integer I written a, second integer a plus 1, third integer a plus 2, fourth integer a plus 3, fourth integer a plus 4. Okay, how many integers are there? 5 integers. Common difference are same means average value are equal to middle number or not? Yes or no? What is the average value? A plus 2. That is also equal to which one? B value or not? Yes or no? The average of 5 consecutive integers is given how much? B or not? But average of 5 consecutive integers we are getting a plus 2 or a? A plus 2. Then a plus 2 value equal to which one? B value or not? Means in place of a plus 2 we are substitute the which one? B value or not? And what is the question here? What is the average of 6 consecutive integers starting with which one? A plus 2 or not? Means first number is a plus 2 or not? But a plus 2 means B. Means first number in second set is B. Second number B plus 1. Third number B plus 2. Fourth number B plus 3. Fifth number B plus 4. And last number B plus 5. Total how many integers are there? 6 integers are there. What is the question here? What is the average of 6 consecutive integers? 6 numbers average means it is in between value of third term and fourth term. What is the third term here? B plus 2. What is the fourth term? B plus 3. These two are adding by 2. We are get the average value or not? B plus 2 plus B plus 3 by 2. That is the entire average of 6 consecutive integers. B plus B, 2B. 2 plus 3, 5. Then we are getting 2B plus 5 by 2 or not? 2B plus 5 by 2. Which option? First option or not? Today paper little bit lengthy paper or not?